Okay, royalties. So first we're going to get started with freshly washed hair. And let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be taking down my hair and using my aloe vera gel to moisturize my hair and use that as a leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to follow up with my Lotta Body Blowout Lotion. And this is going to act as my heat protectant, so that way I can blow my hair out straight. Detangle, work it all in, and I'll be good to go. Your blowout is the most important process whenever you're trying to get your hair straight. So make sure you do this part thoroughly. And there we go, blown out hair. So now we're going to move into the flat ironing process. And I like to split my hair into two main sections and then go back and work in small manageable sections, because when your hair is fine and natural, you want to make sure you don't repeatedly go over your hair strands if it's not needed, honey. Okay? Using my heat protectant, I'm going to comb through my hair and use my hot comb to hit that kitchen, honey, and then follow up with my flat iron to get it as straight as possible. So the technique that I use when I'm flat ironing my hair is I use my comb first to comb through my hair, and then that's being chased by the flat iron. So that's allowing me to get every strand of my hair as straight as possible. For my natural sisters, this heat protectant is so important if you're trying to protect the curl pattern in your hair. Okay? So, yeah. Let me get back to this flat iron. So now I have a part of my hair sectioned out for what I'm going to use for my side swoop. And we're going to work on this low ponytail. Major key, sis. If you want this ponytail sleek and smooth, you need to make sure you work in small sections with your wax stick and your got-to-be spray or freeze spray, and mold your hair to your liking. Okay, so watch how I get this process achieved. You'll notice me repeat this technique of smoothing my hair with my comb and then following up with the blow dryer to apply a little pressure, a little heat to hold my hair in place. Okay, and with the wax stick and this freeze spray, you're going to get that sheen from it. And that's why it's really important to start on freshly washed hair, because we do not want product buildup. Okay? When your ponytail is to your liking, you always want to follow up, of course, with your blow dryer to set it in place. And then you can finally put your rubber band in and you can move to the front of your hair. Again, working in small sections, I'm going to mold the front of my hair into that side swoop and follow up with my blow dryer to set it in place. That blow dryer, girl, is your best friend. Do you hear me? Your best friend. So now my hair is looking like I got a relaxer, and that's what we want, boo. From a 4A hair texture to this. So now I'm finishing up the look with my Designer Essentials Finishing Spritz. And that's just to hold everything in place, give it a solid hold, but not that real stiff, crunchy feel either. It's real soft to the touch. And I'm going to add a little shine with my organic root stimulator. It's like a healthy balance. Get them ends, honey. And of course, use my Do Grow stimulating oil. Seal in my ends. Now here we are to the main part of the style, the ponytail. You need an elastic band just for extra support. And I'm gonna, of course, protect my natural hair by putting it in a braid. And once I braid it to the end, use a rubber band just to hold it in place so it does not come out. Then I'm gonna protect my hair using my tissue wrap. And wrap my hair around as much time needed. And this is just gonna act as a barrier between the track and my natural hair once you put the glue bond on there. Please don't skip this step, ladies. I'm going to be using 20 inches of this beautiful virgin hair, and you're going to get to see how beautiful the hair looks at the end of the video, and all of the details and specs about the hair will be in the description below. So using the glue bond, you want to secure the very end of the track right at the end of the tissue paper. And of course, follow up with the blow dryer to seal it in place. And you're gonna see me just really wrap that track around and around and around. And it's gonna make my ponytail. So you don't have to put glue on every piece of track, but you do want to, put it in certain areas to where it will not unravel. And especially when you get to the top, make sure you put your glue to keep that in place. To finish up this style, you're going to want to get enough hair from your ponytail to wrap around and create that band and sleek look for your pony. Make sure you get enough, because it's nothing like having to run out of hair and having to get more hair to add it in, looking crazy. Okay? So grab enough hair the first time. What holds this band in place is the constant spraying of the spritz and blow drying. And now my pony looks like she's right where I want her to be. Oh, grrr. So ladies, if you enjoyed this tutorial on how I achieved my low sleek ponytail with a side bang, please like, comment, and share. Give it a thumbs up and encourage your girl to continue creating more tutorials like this for you royalties, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification feed. Thank you.